What's up guys, YouTube? So I'm here now in Croatia, day 2 of my traveling. As you can tell, I might look really tired, but it's actually because I slept for 5-6 hours. It's 4:30 p.m. but I got to this AirBnB place this morning like 8 a.m. Last night I slept in a bus. I took an overnight bus from Munich to Zagreb here. So I didn't sleep in bed for like 2 full days, like 48 hours. So I finally slept on the bed. What am I going to do right now? It's raining outside. Weather is pretty bad, gloomy, but I'm gonna go to gym. I just called up local gyms for 1 day pass. They said it's $10. So I'm gonna go work out and also do grocery store shopping, and also go to a city center to walk around, just kind of get to know and take photos and videos and whatnot. So that's my plan. And then later, hopefully I'm gonna go out. It's Saturday, St. Patrick's Day, so hopefully I'm gonna go out and get some actions with locals. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the gym. What's up guys, how you doing? I'm in Zagreb now, day 2, and you know, today, right now it's like 7:30 p.m. I just walked out in the gym and walking back home, like Airbnb place, but this is Bourne. I'll show you guys where I'm at. This is Zagreb Cathedral. This is probably built in like 12th century, so it's from medieval architectures. You see that one? That style is probably Romanesque or maybe Baroque. It's not as sophisticated as ones like Gothic or Romanesque around the 13th, 14th, 15th century. This is really like big, huge, and windows tend to be rectangular and thick walls. So this is like kind of from like early age in medieval time. And statues here. Quick shot. Jesus. And then this guy. Pretty tall, huh? I think this is Gothic because you see that pointy roof over there? A pointy one is probably Gothic. At that time they are trying to reach the sky, which represent like God, and so as high as it could be, they feel the more power. So that's why they built this kind of style, pointy architecture style. Alright, and here nobody here because maybe it's raining and cloudy, but I'm gonna just enjoy here by myself. How's this? See that guy over there? Yeah, so just to give you guys a rundown of how was my day like today. So I left Munich last night, like 11:30 p.m. Took overnight bus from Munich to Zagreb. I arrived here in Zagreb, Croatia at 7:30 a.m. Got to my Airbnb place 8-9 a.m. I took a shower and I was super exhausted because yesterday I didn't sleep. I slept in the airplane, so I didn't sleep in bed for like past 46-48 hours, so I decided to take a nap in bed. So I slept from like 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. I woke up 3 p.m. and then I was like, holy shit, I'm like wasting my daytime. So I got out, got the food, and went to gym, worked out from 5:30 to 7. Pretty much I did chest workout, hit 225 pounds for 2 reps. I didn't feel strong at all because maybe past 24 hours I wasn't eating properly. Still I'm doing ketogenic diet, but last meal was protein bar from last night, and before that was having spinach and sour cream, like high fat diet at the airport. So yeah, I didn't feel strong because of the lack of sleep and the lack of food meal, but still managed to do 225 pounds for 2 reps. But I'm not going to lose any strength over this trip, so I'm gonna work out pretty hard. I worked on my biceps, like 3 different exercises for total like 15 sets, 10 reps each-ish for hypertrophy, triceps and abdominals. And so yeah, worked on success that I was able to work out was $10 Canadian. I'm gonna work out my back tomorrow as well. I think I'm gonna go to a nightclub called Opera. I heard from locals that it's pretty good. And today's Saturday and it's good from midnight until 5 a.m. So I'm not, I don't really like to go to nightclubs, especially by myself. So I was pretty apprehensive about it. But since it's raining and I couldn't really enjoy or take advantage of daytime here in Croatia, I would go to somewhere nighttime to kind of balance off my lost time during the daytime. So yeah, that's a quick vlog from Zagreb. It's 10 degrees, but tomorrow and day after it'll be weather forecast is saying that it'll be like 0 degrees. So maybe this is like hottest time of my stay here in Zagreb. I don't know, but trying to get the most out of Zagreb. I don't know, I think I took this scene too many times right now, so I'm gonna walk down to other area of city center Zagreb. But yeah, that's pretty much my day. How do I feel about Munich? Yeah, I wanted to make a video about how I felt about what my first impression about German in Munich. I asked for help in terms of train station, bus station, and they were pretty friendly, and they went out of their ways to help me. For example, one example was I was trying to find sour cream in grocery store, and I can't read German, so I asked the guy nearby, "Hey, is this sour cream?" And then he pulled up his smartphone. He made sure that English version of sour cream is the correct one by opening up Google Translate, and after that he spent like a few minutes trying to look for sour cream for me. Even if I told him like, oh okay, it doesn't seem like there's a sour cream here, but he spent like a few minutes of his time to look for it, and he found it and then brought it back to me. So I was like, wow, thank you so much, And the Munich people pretty, they're really well dressed, really. The city itself is like a high-end and nice, so sophisticated. So everybody dressed up really nice. Nobody is like college poor. They don't dress up like in the sweatpants and the hoodie. So the local guys in Munich told me Munich is more my style than like Berlin. Berlin is more of hipsters, hippies. So yeah, I really like the people there. Styles, they're pretty friendly, nice, and polite. Yeah, so I can totally see myself living there, actually. And I don't know, this is just walking through like square area, but I'll update you guys in the main train station. So yeah, I'm in the city center. See that statue over there behind me and trams. I think this is a really famous spot where like a bunch of movies like Jason Bourne by Matt Damon was used here. Like there was like a bombing and Jason Bourne was running away from somebody and then he ran into a tram and escaped from the scene. So yeah, that statue over there and trams. City center, and I'm walking toward the shopping mall street, so I see a bunch of people walking here. Not as many people compared to like in Munich. Munich is insane. Like Munich was like the biggest like walking strip slash old town square that I've ever seen in my entire life. So yeah, I'm gonna just walk around and see what's up in this city center, Zagreb, and go to grocery store, buy eggs, bacon, sour cream, my favorite right now. I'm addicted right now. And spinach. Basically high fat, low carb, medium protein diet for a post-workout meal. And get ready for nightclub tonight. Opera. So yeah. My first day, not bad. It was raining, but it stopped raining, so I can walk around. And tonight is gonna run pretty long, from 12 a.m. midnight until like 5 a.m. So I gotta get ready for that shit, you know, for fun. I'm not nightclub guy, but yeah, just gotta make sure, you know, take advantage, like, you know, the day, the time, yeah.